Hi everyone, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Vercel.com. Our series is formally entitled Building a Modern Personal Web Page with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Vercel.com. I know that many of you are proficient with HTML and CSS, but I'm introducing Next.js, of course React.js, to you because it uses an approach called component-based development, wherein we don't just build HTML pages, but we build components that we can embed into particular web pages. And we are going to use a platform which is a single page approach, no, or SPA, because Next.js is based on React.js, which is actually a single page platform. So what are we going to discuss? First, we are going to be introduced to Next.js. We will scaffold our first project and walk you through the different components of your project. I will also explain to you how basically Next.js or React.js is executed by NPM. Okay, and then we will proceed to a brief explanation, just very simple explanation, because it's needed, no? On React components, attributes, props, and children. The simplest discussion that we can have in order for us to build our web page. In topic 3, we will discuss how class morphism is done using Tailwind classes. We will create our header component, our main banner. Okay, we'll make it sticky and transparent, and we will give it effects like the backdrop, blur effects, and others. We'll also have a second banner which will have, for example, your contacts, your personal information, your different websites, your social media websites, and others. And then we will add portfolio components, especially if you're a career individual. You must have a portfolio component. You must be able to have an about me. You should have a component also for your education and your experience. Your skill bars will make interactive components like the back to top button, the sticky buttons like home, portfolio, and then whatever projects you have, whatever certificates you have. No? We will showcase your portfolio by using documents and images, and we will demonstrate how you can lay out galleries using divs and grids. And then finally, we are going to discuss a topic on how to create a backup of your website into GitHub and how to deploy it to Vercel so that the public will be able to show it. Now, what are the requirements of this course? First, you must download a Node.js version 22. You can copy this address and then go to that address. Here's the address, and then use the 22 version, which is the LTS version. Okay, this is the one that is recommended for Next.js 16, and just run the installer. You can run it both in Ubuntu and in Windows. And then you must have a VS Code or any editor. We recommend VS Code, especially if it has a GitHub Copilot, so you can write code from time to time. We need a Vercel account and a GitHub account. The Vercel account will be used for automated deployment so that people will be able to view your web page. So I'm excited to see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.